Discover a new medium to bring your ideas to life, powered by AI. With Gamma, you can transform existing PDFs into beautiful presentations, documents, websites, and social media content in seconds with AI. Have you ever received a PDF handbook, onboarding guide, or company document that you need to present? Instead of manually recreating slides or spending hours reformatting content, Gamma can instantly transform your PDFs into engaging, visually stunning presentations. Let's explore how to do it. Getting started. To begin, navigate to the Gamma dashboard and select Create New with AI, then choose Import File or URL. You can now upload your PDF file directly from your computer. For this demonstration, we'll use an employee handbook and onboarding guide as our example. After uploading, you'll need to select the format you want to create. You can choose between a presentation, website, document, or social media content. For this tutorial, let's select Presentation. Organizing your document. As Gamma imports your PDF, watch as it intelligently recognizes and transcribes your content. You can use the prompt editor to distribute and enhance the file's content in various ways. For a hands-off approach, select Free Form to let Gamma's AI distribute the content automatically across cards. If you prefer more control, choose Card by Card to manually manage each section. You can also customize the length of your presentation by adjusting the number of cards. Gamma offers different options to enhance your PDF's content. You can present it as is, condense it for a concise overview, or expand it with additional AI-generated details. To tailor the content for a specific audience, you can specify details about the audience and tone. Selecting a theme. With Gamma, you don't need to worry about designing your presentations. Choose from a wide variety of professionally crafted themes to make your content look great in seconds. If you prefer to apply your own brand elements, you can create and apply a custom theme to all your presentations for a consistent look and feel. Learn more about this with our dedicated tutorial. Once you've selected a theme that fits your content, click Generate, and watch as the AI transforms your PDF into a stunning presentation. Add more blocks. Once your Gamma presentation is generated, you can customize it further by adding diverse elements such as text blocks, images, videos, charts, and dynamic visual layouts. You can also add new smart layouts to organize complex information from your PDF in a more digestible format. Editing with AI. To make changes quickly, use Gamma's AI editing assistant. You can make changes to your entire document at once by clicking on the button at the top right corner, or make changes to a specific card by clicking on the button at the top left of your card. These options provide different ways to edit your content and enhance its visual appeal. You can interact with the assistant via chat for specific customization requests. Learn more about these features in our dedicated video. Sharing and export. When your presentation is ready, Gamma offers multiple ways to share and export your content. Present directly from Gamma for an interactive experience. Your presentation will look polished with smooth transitions between cards. For traditional settings, export your presentation to various formats. PDF documents for easy distribution. PowerPoint files that maintain your design and content structure. Google Slides for further collaboration in that environment. PNG images of individual cards, perfect for social media or specific uses. Share a link that gives viewers access to your presentation online, either as a view-only link or with collaboration permissions. You can also publish your presentation as a website or post it directly to LinkedIn in just a few clicks. These flexible sharing options ensure your content reaches your audience in their preferred format. Learn more in our dedicated video. Gamma simplifies the journey from a static PDF to a dynamic presentation, saving you hours of manual work while creating more professional and beautiful results. Start for free at gamma.app and experience a whole new way to present your ideas, powered by AI. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on how to use Gamma.